I'm just going to go through on how to start up your Monster pen and how to turn it on and change the power and frequency. First of all, plug it in the socket, insert it in the back of here. Always remember, obviously, to sterilise and wipe the pen down before and after. You can use the sleeves as well, but I tend to always clean, no matter what, before and after treating anyone. Okay, and then you've got your probe. You're going to screw this onto the end. Oops. A bit more tricky with gloves. This is an old one, so it's a little bit bent. There we go. To power up, you need to press the on-off button. So hold that down for 2 seconds. And your pen is now on. Now we need to set, so if we're going to obviously check if a client's numb, we need to set it to setting 3. The power and the frequency have to be at the same amount and the same settings. So power will have to be at 3 and frequency at 3. So to change the power and the frequency, once you've turned on the pen, you click power and you click it to as many as you want. So you've got 8 and then 1, 2, 3, and then frequency. Just going to go all the way to the top to number 8 and then 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 bars on each of them. Sometimes it's a little tricky to see. If you're in doubt on what number it is, just go all the way up to 8 again and count again. So that's ready to go. If you go to use your pen and click here, it's not going to work. So what you always have to remember, if it's not flashing, I'm not too sure if the camera might look like it's flashing now, but it's not flashing at the moment. You have to click the on-off button again and it starts to flash. So now you're ready to treat the client. So what I'd do here, once you're ready, you try it on setting 3 to see if they're numb in that area. And like previously explained, you need to use setting 5 at max for the first session. So if you wanted to then change this to setting 5, click on off again, so it stops flashing. And then you go up to the frequency, so we're on 3, and then 4, 5, and then 4, 5 for power. And you're ready to go. But remember, always click the on off button again, and only when it flashes it will work. Because the amount of times, even I still do it, the pen isn't flashing, so it won't work. So if I turn that off where it's not flashing, you can't hear anything.